Kung depressed ka ngayon, gusto mo maging depressed, let it be. Pero kung ayaw mo, subukan mo lang.
Do you believe in anxiety and depression? Paano nila matutulungan yung sarili nila?
Still mindset. No amount of therapy. Nag-therapy na, ilang taon pa ako, ganyan dyan pa rin. No amount of things that are external can fix you, not unless ang anxiety kasi nagsimula is the way I think eh. Diba? Mali eh. Hindi dapat nangyari eh. Kinabahan ako eh. Okay, nangyari na. Take a deep breath. Accept it. You cannot undo what happened in the past. Let it go. Forgive anyway. Ito coaching conversation. Coach, ito si Sainal na daw. Gusto kang kausapin. Pagbigyan naman po. Tawag ako. Tapos ang boses, Coach, kasi po, Coach. Sandali lang. Relax. Take a deep breath. Tumayo ka muna, bigyan mo ka ng 10 jumping jack at sabihin mo, I'm happy. Ay, hindi ko po kaya, Coach. Ang hirap po, Coach. Oh, di wala tayong pag-uusapan. Tayo, buksan mong camera. Gusto ko makita. I'm happy. Anong pag-uusapan? Actually, Coach, bago. Change your state. If you're in anxiety state, in depression state, change it. Subukan mo lang. Kung depressed ka ngayon, gusto mo maging depressed, let it be. Pero kung ayaw mo, subukan mo lang. Tayo ka. Jumping jack. I'm happy. Woo! I'm happy. And then you notice, wow. I may not say it's a permanent thing, but then say it's a good start.